Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum.
This is Asad Yaqub.
And this is Asad.
Once again, we are here with IELTS speaking part 1 topics, and there's going to be a variety of topics which we are discussing in these videos. So definitely you need to watch these videos. They are just the short videos because IELTS speaking part 1 continues for around 3, 4 or 5 minutes. So I'm asking you some questions and you got to answer. This time I've chosen a different type of topic for you, that is about numbers. Okay, like telephone numbers, your favorite number and all that. So I'm going to ask you 4 questions and you have to reply those questions and try to answer each question in 4-5 sentences. Right? Let's take a start. Do you have a favorite number or a number that is special to you?
Yeah, I've got a favorite number. My favorite number is 11th because it is my date of birth. Actually, I was born on 11th of October. That's why I love this number very much.
Okay, now you said my favorite number is 11th. That's wrong. 11th is actually you've got cardinal number and ordinal number. You should say 11. My favorite number is 11 because that is my date of birth as well, and then you can speak further. Okay, good answer. Do any numbers have special importance in your country?
Yeah, the numbers like 14 and 23rd, they have got a lots of importance in my country. Like 14th August was the day our country came into being, and 23rd March is also known as Pakistan's day, and also Pakistan Resolution Day, and 6th September has also got a lot of importance because it is also known as Defense Day. These are some of the numbers which have got a lots of importance in my country.
Okay, that's a very good answer. Are you good at remembering numbers?
Yeah, I'm good at remembering numbers. I can remember many mobile phone numbers also. I know my father's number, my mother's number, my own mobile phone number, and I also know some helpline numbers like police and other rescue 112.
Okay, what is your father's number?
030094666533.
Thank you very much. Okay. All right. What numbers do people often have to memorize?
People have to often memorize some numbers like their roll numbers while going for...
People often have to memorize, not people have to often memorize. People often have to memorize.
People often have to memorize some numbers like their roll numbers, their mobile phone numbers. Roll numbers are to be memorized by the students, and mobile phone numbers are memorized by the elder people. People also have to memorize some type of specific numbers which are related to something which is important to them.
Okay, that's a very good answer. You're giving good answers. Ever since you removed your shawl, you are giving good answers. Okay. So guys, this was a pretty unusual topic, but Mustain answered the questions well, and wherever he was wrong, I corrected him. This is how you need to answer. I'm going to make around 15 to 20 videos on the common topics of IELTS speaking part 1 so that you guys get the clear idea how to answer the questions. If you like this video,
hit on the like button and also subscribe the channel, and if you like this video, comment below. And Asad Yaqub also teaches IELTS online. His number is mentioned here. He also runs another channel, Asad Yaqub Vlog. Subscribe to that channel as well. Asad Yaqub and Mustain Asad wish you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Sabak suna liya sara. Okay, Mustain, why don't you talk and communicate effectively? Maybe it's just the beginning. Yeah, gradually is going to be fine. Thank you guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.